we'll see that at the end. So now that we have, well, we're recording, I can draw. This brings up this menu, which is not visible in the recording that you make with a Screencast-O-Matic. But there are some interesting tools here. So I can go to the tools and I can choose freehand instead of these other ones. I can press the number 2 and I'll get a line, and I can go back to 1 while pressing number 1. We'll show that in a minute. So pressing 1, which is on now, is freehand. Pressing 2 gives me a line. Pressing 3 on the keyboard gives me an arrow. 4 gives me a square. 5 an oval. And 6 a shade. So I can shade areas. And I can press erase and get rid of all of that. I am going to go to leave it on freehand. And that screen as was there, the color screen, the width screen, they are not going to show up in the video. While the video is recording, you can click that. It's not going to show up when in the finished video. So now I can look at some. I am recording and I press. Okay. And if the mouse is in the center of the screen and I press I, excuse me, I will zoom into the center of the screen. If the mouse is here and I press I don't have to click the mouse, just pressing where it is. The center was here. That's what came up in the center of the screen. And now I'm zooming out again. So that is a convenient feature when you have the mouse in a location and you want to zoom into that location. You just press I to in and O for out. I can press here or press the letter D. That eliminates the drawing tools. Pressing this brings up the drawing tools again. Let me press the menu, which required a different key combination to bring up the drawing tools. So that is, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to say